everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious enchiladas suizas. These are one of my favorites. They're so delicious. They're stuffed with chicken, super cheesy and creamy. If you guys haven't made them and you want to see how I make them, keep watching. I've already set my pot on medium-high heat with 2 quarts of water. Once the water is boiling, I'm going to add 1.5 pounds of boneless and skinless chicken breast, along with half a white onion, 1 garlic clove, 2 bay leaves, and some salt. I'm gonna cover it up and cook it for about 30 minutes. If you see any impurities forming on the top, just remove them. While we wait on the chicken, I've set my pot with 5 cups of water and we're gonna boil the ingredients for the salsa. I'm gonna be adding 2 chiles serranos and 1 jalapeño, along with 1 pound of tomatillo milpero, quarter of a white onion, and 2 garlic cloves. We're gonna let them boil until they change color. It's been 45 minutes and our chicken is now ready. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna set it to the side, and once it cools down, I'm gonna shred it. It's been 5 minutes. The tomatillos and chiles are now ready. I'm gonna get them out and transfer them into the blender. To the blender, we're also gonna add a small bunch of cilantro, 1 cup of the chicken broth. I got it from where we cooked the chicken. And last, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. And now we blend. Our chicken has cooled down and I'm gonna start shredding it. It's done, and now it's time to cook our salsa. To cook the salsa, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil to my pan. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna fry 2 pieces of garlic, and this is just to enhance the flavor of the salsa. It's been about a minute or so. The garlics are now fried and I'm gonna remove them. I'm gonna add in the salsa. Give it a mix. And we're gonna add 15 ounces of Crema Mexicana. And make sure everything is well mixed. Once it's all mixed, we're gonna reduce the heat and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. In the meantime, I've already set my pan on medium heat with some oil, and we're gonna start frying our tortillas. As soon as you see the tortillas start bubbling, we take them out. And we'll do the same for the rest of the tortillas. Our salsa has been simmering for 5 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heat. And now we're gonna start preparing our enchiladas. To start off, we're gonna add a layer of our salsa to our baking dish. And we just spread it around, just like that. And we're gonna start rolling our enchiladas. We're gonna add some chicken. This is as much as you'd like. And we're also gonna add some Oaxaca cheese or your favorite type of melting cheese. And we roll them up. We do the same for the rest. Some chicken. And this is enough for about 24 to 28 enchiladas. Cheese. And we roll them up. While I roll up the enchiladas, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna add another layer of salsa on top. Spread it around. And some more Oaxaca cheese on top. They're ready to go into the oven, and we're gonna bake them from anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, and now this part is optional. I like to broil my enchiladas for about a minute or so that we can get that crispy texture on top. And there you have it, delicious enchiladas suizas. And I like to drizzle with a little bit of Crema Mexicana on top. Okay, my favorite part, guys. I was already eating. Cheers. So good. They melt in your mouth. The sauce is just perfect, and the cheese, delicious. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.